I'm Caden, and I'm here at the Different Drummer Pottery, home of the Crock Drum. This is episode 2 of our tutorial series. In this episode, we're going to be practicing accenting. Accenting is going to be an important part of your playing because it adds a lot of character to your beats. In lesson 1, we talked about keeping a consistent rhythm with your hands, so now we're going to begin to accent to add some flavor to your playing. If you've been practicing the exercise from the previous lesson, you will be comfortable playing the alternating hand rhythm. To begin with, we're only going to be accenting the first strike of the 16th note pattern. That should sound like this. Now, let's accent every 8 strikes. For this tutorial, I'm not going to dive too deep into time signatures because there are many other great videos out there that cover this in great detail. However, if you are familiar with time signatures, this rhythm would be the same as playing an accent on the 1 and 3 beats of a 16th note pattern in 4/4. Now, let's accent 1 beat per every 4 strikes. This would be like accenting the downbeat in 4/4. So far, because of how these beats line up, we've only been accenting with our dominant hand. To get some work in with both hands, we can accent 1 every 3 beats, and that'll alternate hands, and that should sound like this. This will be a good rhythm if you have a chance to play along with someone doing some 6/8 Celtic fiddle tunes. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe and follow us on Facebook so you can stay up to date with the latest videos as they come out.